Read the question. Read the question. Speed.
Slip-ring induction motor is controlled by variation of rotor resistance.
Okay.
The full load torque of motor is 50
Newton meter.
And a slip of 0.3.
Okay.
The motor drives load having a characteristics 3 proportional by square.
Okay.
The motor has 4 poles and operates on 50 Hz. 400 volt supply.
Good.
Determine the speed of motor for 0.8 times the rated torque.
Okay.
The operating conditions of the is obtained with additional resistance in the circuit.
Okay.
Resistance is controlled by chopper in the rotor circuit. Determine the average torque developed for type ratio by 4.
Okay. So this controlled by chopper. This slip-ring induction motor is controlled by variation of the rotor resistance by using chopper. Okay. So here, your number 212.
Yes, sir.
And then P series 211. Aishwarya. Aishwarya. You absent. 210. 212. 211. Aishwarya. Okay. Just wait. Tell me the given data is completed. All of you take this question. Tell me given data. This wait. So tell me given data. Yes, wait. Slip-ring induction motor. Tell me. Torque is equal to first one. Torque is equal to how much? 15 Newton meter. And slip 0.3. Okay, good. And then poles. Okay, torque is proportional to n square. Okay, poles 4. Frequency 50 Hz. And then voltage 400 volts. Okay, and also given time ratio, no? Time ratio 0.4. That is called on time to off time. T on divided by T of time ratio is given like this. Okay, 0.4. On time to off time ratio. So it's given like this. And so what is the question here? So what we have to find? Motor speed. Okay, and also average torque. So they determine the average torque. Determine the resistance controlled by chopper in the rotor circuit. Determine average torque. Okay, developed for a time ratio of 0.4. T on by T of is equal to 0. Average torque and speed. So your torque is proportional to n scale. So what means this is called a fan type load. Fan. Okay, this is a relation followed in fan type loads. Okay, so what is the number? 211. Aishwarya. 210. 210. So what is the synchronous speed? You can see here. Synchronous speed. NS is equal 120 F by pi. Substitute 120. 120 into frequency. What is the frequency here? 50 by 4. So who is 211? What is the number? 210. Okay. Here how many number of poles here? 4. Then speed 1500 RPM. Okay, good. Then next who is next? 209. So what is the slip here? Slip is equal to 0.3 is given like this. And motor speed, tell me what is the formula of motor speed? That is called NR. NR is equal to NS into, tell me, 1 minus S. 1 minus S. Substitute these values. NS is equal to how much here? 1500. 1 minus how much? 0.3. Tell me, what is this result? 1500 into 1 minus 0.3. How much here? 1050 RPM. Okay, 1050 RPM. And here it's also given one data that is called so this determined speed of the motor for 0.8 times of the rated torque. Okay, that means T2 is equal to, so that is nothing but T2 is equal to, let us assume T2 and T1, that T2 is equal to 0.8 times of T1. Okay, so what is your number? 209. 209 is over. And then 208, H1. Yeah. T2 is equal to 0.10 times of T1. What is the relation? This is called a fan type load. Am I right? Torque is proportional to N square. Okay. That means T1 is proportional to N1 square. Am I right? Similarly, T2 is proportional to N2 square. Am I right or not? What is the ratio of T2 by T1 here? N2 square by N1 square. Am I right? Understood? Here, T2 by T1. So how much here? T2 by T1 means? T2 by T1. 0.8. That's 0.8 here. Okay. Is equal to, what is the N2 here? So we need to find N2. So what is the N1? Okay. 1050 whole square. And then tell me. So N2. Who is the next? Vishwant is over. And then 207. Muhammad Faz. Absent. P series 206. Maheshwar Nayak. Tell me what is the N2 here? Use calculator. Find this. How much N2 here? Do you have a calculator or not? Tell me N2. Simple. Substitute these values, you will get 939 RPM. Is it correct or not? Verify. Okay. What's your number? 206. Huh? Okay. The next 205. Here T1 by T of ratio is given. T1 by T of ratio. Based on this, so we need to find the speed is over, average speed is over, and then we have to find the average torque. Okay. So one question is over, 939 RPM. And then by using this relation, so we have to find average torque. Okay. So here, so T1 by T of ratio, how much? 0. Okay, 0.4. Okay. That means T1 is equal to 0.4 times of T of. Am I right? Okay. And also this average torque formula. I will tell you this average formula. So the average torque is equal to T1 into T1. Okay. Plus T2 into T of. This is the average torque formula, and they divided by total. Okay, T on plus T off. Am I right? So here, what is the T1? Okay, T150. Then T on. So we need same as this. T2. So you will get 40. Am I right? 50 by 40 now. Okay. So 40. And the T off divided by T on plus T off. Right? Then substitute T on is equal to 0.4 times of T off. We will get total expression in the form of T off. Numerator T off and also denominator is also T off. And then T off cancel. Okay. And we will get average torque. Okay. So tell me, so 50. Okay. So what is your number? 205. Okay. Who is next? 204.
Yes, sir.
Tell me here. What is your T on? 0.4.
Yeah, 0.4.
Okay. Then 40 into T of as it is. Okay, don't change. So we'll this transfer converting into equation in the form of T of. Here T on also how much? 0.4 times of T of and also T of. Am I right? This is called average torque. Okay. And then tell me, so what is this? Average torque. Who is the next? What is your number? 204. And then 203. Madhu Murali Sriram. Absent. 202. Use calculator. Find this. How much here?
42.857.
42.857. Newton meter. Units also important. Okay. So this is the average torque and also this is the speed. This is the speed of induction motor, slip ring induction motor. Okay. This is the average torque developed by using controlling of rotor resistance control method by using chopper. Okay.